Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to insert, delete and get value from session storage in React.js. Let's start. I'm going to create a button. Here this is set value and I'm going to create a on click for this and handle click. Copy this and paste it here. After this I'm going to create a function for this click. Here I'm going to use a sessionStorage.setItem. Here you can give any value here. This is key value and you can give content here. Okay, demo value. Save this and go to browser. Here I'm going to right click and go to inspect, and inside application here we have session storage. Okay, and if I click this button here, session value is added. If I refresh this page, here we have a session value. Okay, and session value will clear when this tab is closed. Okay, I will show you. We can able to get the session value till tab is open. Here if I click this tab, here I'm going to open the same URL and right click and go to application. Inside the session storage, here all values cleared. Okay, normal behavior of session storage. I'm going to display the session storage value if we have value in this session storage. Okay, here I'm going to create use effect. Here before that I need to create a state to get the session value. Okay, here value set value state initially it's empty. Okay, I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to get the session storage value. Okay, sessionStorage.getItem. Here I'm going to get this data. Okay, copy this and go here and paste it here and save this. I'm going to copy this into a create h1 tag and to paste that value here. Here session values printed this value. Okay, yeah, I'm going to remove the session value when button is clicked. Okay, after that I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is delete. Okay, or remove. Copy this. I'm going to change this to remove. Here I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. I'm going to change this to this. Here I'm going to change this set item to remove item. Okay, I'm going to remove this data. Okay, save this and go to browser. Here we have session value. Okay, and I'm going to remove this data. If I click this button here, session value is removed. Okay, again I'm going to remove, insert, remove. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. Bye bye.